Rhaid I mi brynu. So this session we're going to learn how to say we've got to buy something. Rhaid I mi brynu. I have to buy. Rhaid I mi brynu tatws. So throughout this video you're going to see some letters are highlighted in blue text, and these ones are ones which have had a mutation. Now if you've not seen mutations before, don't worry, I'll take it through nice and easily for you. If you have seen mutations before, now you'll know where to look out for them, and hopefully you'll be able to use them more easily when you come across a little pattern where you'll need to use them. There is, if you haven't spotted it already, in the adnoddau section in the first set of lectures in the course, a mutation table there for you to have a look at and see how the letters change. This is a soft mutation, treiglad meddal. Rhaid I mi brynu tatws. I have to buy potatoes. Rhaid I mi brynu blawd. I have to buy flour. Now sometimes you might see rhaid I fi brynu. That's okay as well, that's just a variation. Rhaid I mi brynu, rhaid I fi brynu. You can use either. Rhaid I ti brynu mwy o foron. Rhaid I ti brynu mwy o foron. Notice here we've changed to ti, and we've extended our brawddeg, our sentence a little bit. Mwy o foron. You have to buy more carrots. Rhaid I ti brynu mwy o foron. Rhaid I ti brynu mwy o olew. You have to buy more oil. Let's change it up again. Let's have a look, see what else we can do. Rhaid iddo fe ddefnyddio llai o siwgr. Rhaid iddo fe ddefnyddio llai o siwgr. Notice we've got our treiglad there again, this time on a different word. We're using defnyddio here, which means to use. Rhaid iddo fe ddefnyddio llai o siwgr. He has to use less sugar. Rhaid iddo fo bob I bara pob dydd. Rhaid iddo fo bob I bara pob dydd. Now you'll notice in the last sentence I said fe, and in this one we have fo. That's a bit more of a northern variant that you're going to see here. So rhaid iddo fo. So if you're learning with a bit more of an eye to the north, you might choose to use fo instead of fe. But it doesn't matter, you can use either. Rhaid iddo fo bob I bara pob dydd. He has to bake bread every day. Let's see how we can change it again. So we're keeping the same pattern of the sentence and we're just changing a few elements to change our meaning. Rhaid iddi hi ffrio tomato. Rhaid iddi hi ffrio tomato. So we've changed fo or fe to he. She has to fry a tomato. Rhaid iddi hi ferwi ffa. Still got our treiglad meddal there in the blue. She has to boil beans. Rhaid iddi hi ferwi ffa. Let's change it another time. Rhaid I Aled Coginio heno. Rhaid I Aled Coginio heno. So we've still got rhaid at the beginning, and we've still got this word I, but instead of using fe or he to refer to him or her, or fi to refer to me, I'm going to choose a name instead. Aled. Rhaid I Aled Coginio heno. We still keep our treiglad there. Aled has to cook tonight. Let's change it again. Rhaid I ni dyfu llysiau. Rhaid I ni dyfu llysiau. That word dyfu there mutated from tyfu, still that soft mutation, and we've changed again from rhaid I mi, rhaid I ti, rhaid iddo fe or iddo fo, rhaid iddi hi, rhaid I Aled, and now we have rhaid I ni dyfu llysiau. We have to grow vegetables. Rhaid I ni fynd i'r siop I brynu bwyd. So now we're extending our brawddeg, our sentence again. we've got some more mutation in there. So rhaid I ni, we have to, fynd i'r shop, go to the shop, I brynu bwyd, to buy food. We have to go to the shop to buy food. Rhaid I ni fynd i'r shop I brynu bwyd. Let's change it again. Rhaid I chi ogri'r cynhwysion sych. Now that's a bit of a mouthful. I'll say it a bit slower and you can have a listen and practice. Rhaid I chi ogri'r cynhwysion sych. Eto, again. Rhaid I chi ogri'r cynhwysion sych. You have to sieve the dry ingredients. Rhaid I chi rostio'r cig oen. So we're changing again. We've gone from rhaid I mi and rhaid I ti and so on to now rhaid I chi rostio'r cig oen. You have to roast the lamb. So this pattern is variable. You can change it to do lots and lots of things with it. So this is going to be just an opening really for something that's really versatile. Let's have another look at something different here. Rhaid iddyn nhw, so this time we're going to speak about another group of people. So we were talking about ni, which is us, chi, which is you and can be you as a group. This one is them. Rhaid iddyn nhw baratoi bwyd veganaidd. Gwrandewch eto, listen again. Rhaid iddyn nhw baratoi bwyd veganaidd. They have to prepare vegan food. So that's our first look through some of these patterns that we've seen in Gwers Haf. I've given you lots of resources to have a try out of these, and one of the best things you can do is to create your own sentences. See what you can do. Don't worry about any of the mutations. They're something that you will learn as you go along, and it doesn't really matter if you make any mistakes. See if you can take some of these patterns and practice them out in the wild, so to speak. Remember, you can always find us on the Discord if you want to try them out there with other learners. Pob luck!